Okay, so here I am back at the beach back there and sitting here in my car, but I wanted to review these items here while I can. So I have this electric nail kit, and so it's really cool, and I opened it up already. I haven't quite used it yet, but I will probably tonight to play around with it and see how it works. But you can see it's got the little controller here, and if I push the button, it starts. I can control, wow, the intensity. It goes super fast and slow. On the little screen, you probably can't see it because the LED and lightness outside, but you can check all the different settings on it. But it's cool. It comes with all the different little tips and stuff. It's got a little cover for it here, so or a mounting one, and then it's got all these metal tips with the grind your nails down, which I need. I have a jack nail, so I'm going to try this one on one of my nails, and then a bunch of little sanding papers. So it's really cool. It comes with everything it needs here. It comes with the little instruction book in there as well. I saw, let's see, right here. So there's the instructions, and the good thing about it is I can charge it up and with my USB battery pack, so it runs off a USB, so it's really cool. Really like this.